Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to separate audio from any kind of video in Camtasia. So first of all, you need to bring the video. Let's suppose this is the video, okay, and this is in screen recording basically. And if you want to remove or separate the audio from this video, what you need to do, put your mouse cursor on that media file and right click on the mouse, and here you can see separate audio and video. So if you click on that, you will be able to see that your audio and video is separated. Now you can just do whatever you want with it, and in this way you'll be able to separate audio and video from a video. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. You can check out all the tutorials related to Camtasia in our playlist. Till then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.